Okay, part C. So, hence or otherwise solve within the following range between 0 and pi for the following equation, which we already found out can also be written like this, giving you answers to 2 decimal places. Now, just looking at this head-on, we should know that we cannot actually solve this easily in its current form. This is why if we look back at part A, which I should have over here, we were able to find out that this equation can be rewritten in this form. And if you notice, the thetas here are actually simply substitute for 2x. So the 2x here and the theta are actually the same. So we can say that this equation can be rewritten as r cos, instead of theta plus alpha, it's going to be 2x plus alpha. And this is all, of course, equal to 3, because that's what we're dealing with. Now, what were the values of r? Well, r was found to be, I believe, root 29 cos, and then we got 2x plus, and then the alpha here, I think, was 0.381 radians. Okay, equals 3, and yeah, now we just simply solve this. So all we can do is just divide it by root 29 and then cos inverse. So this should give us 2x plus 0.381 equals the cos inverse over 3 over root 29. And if you enter this in your calculator, remember to always keep your solutions in radians. You should get a solution of 0.9799. So let me put on this side. So therefore, all of this expression here, 2x plus 0.381 should equal, okay, 2 decimal places, yeah. So let's just say 0.98 radians. So that's our first solution. Now, and of course, now the easy part is literally throwing this in a cos diagram. So doing a cos, so it's kind of hard to do neat here. I could use the straight edges, but it's fine. This can be rough. So using the cos diagram, we should know that we're working with cos. So this means C is positive and A is always positive, and they both have an angle width of an angle of 0.98. All right, and remember this applies for from the range of 2x. So because we're working with this entire range here, therefore we can kind of expand this by adding firstly adding 0.381 across, doubling it first and adding 0.81. So our new range is 0.381 greater equal than 2x plus 0.381 less than 2 pi plus 0.381. So this is our new kind of interval for the cos. Yeah, so this is where we can actually go now. And just for the sake of making it easier, 0.31 is less than this value, so we can only do 2 circles. So our only solutions, of course, would be the one we have and all the way around here, which is 2 pi take away this value. So our second solution is 2 pi minus 0.98. Now, to find the value of x, all we have to do now is just solve this equation. So this tells you that the two solutions are 0.98 and 2 pi minus 0.98, which equals to this equation here. So all we have to do now is subtract 0.381 to both of these and divide it by 2. So hence, the first value x should be, or I should have done it beforehand, 0.98 minus 0.381, all divided by 2, should give us, firstly, to 2 decimal places, 0.30 rounded up. And for the second one, first we got 2 pi minus 0.98. Now we subtract against 0.381 and divide it by 2, and we should get 2.46. 2.46. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped and you got your answers. So quite easy, well, not completely easy. You just have to realize that this is a type of equation which can only be solved using the r cos expression. And once we plug in and use a cos diagram, realize that we just have to do this final step in the end, then we'll get answers. Anyway, I hope this video helped, and let me know if any more questions, and I shall see you guys soon. Ciao.